Linking your bank account to Facebook can help you manage transactions and payments more easily. Follow these steps to connect your bank account securely. Step 1. Open the Facebook app or website. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device or visit the Facebook website on your computer. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu. On the app, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. On the website, click the downward arrow in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Step 3. Go to Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. This may be listed under Account Settings or your Facebook information depending on the platform you are using. Step 4. Add Bank Account. Select the option to add a bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your account. After entering your bank details, Facebook may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming a small deposit made by Facebook into your bank account or providing additional identification. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once your bank account is linked and verified, you can easily manage transactions and payments on Facebook. Always ensure that your account information is kept secure.